Hi, welcome to How to Draw a Symbol. Today we're going to learn how to draw a bird. Let's start off by drawing a long curve like so for the underside of the body. Next, draw the top of the body with another curve like this and add 2 points at the end for the tail feathers. Draw a short curve over here for the wing. Draw a line going down with a scribble at the bottom for each of the legs. And then a dot for the eye and a triangle for the beak. If you want to draw a chicken, all you need to do is add a wavy line on top of the head. If you want it to be a pigeon, you can draw 2 lines across the neck. If you want it to be a duck, just make the beak rounder. And now you have a bird, or a chicken, or a pigeon, or a duck.